Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the different types of cord and rope out there because there is quite a variety and it can feel confusing, especially when you're starting out. Now, before I get into it, there's no right or wrong here, just my perspective. So, let's start. If you're feeling overwhelmed or worried about doing it wrong, don't be. There is no secret formula. I usually just experiment with what I have. I'm sharing my stash to give you a fresh perspective. Use it as a jump off point to try things your way. Okay, so let's start with macrame cord and specifically the three main types you'll come across: single twist, three ply, and braided. Single twist cord is exactly what it sounds like, strands twisted loosely together in one direction. This is probably the most popular choice for macrame and my personal favorite. Here I'm showing my coiled coasters and macrame wall hanging, so when you create fringe like in the wall hanging, you can brush it out for that gorgeous fluffy finish. The leftover cord I used in the basket, for which I have a video tutorial. I will add the link in the description. Three-ply cord is three strands twisted together more tightly. It is more structured than single twist and holds its knots really firmly and cleanly. It's like using it when I want a more defined and precise look. The knot sits really neatly. It is a bit less fluffy when unraveled, but still creates a nice fringe. And as you can see, I usually like to make macrame keychains and coasters with it. Braided cord is woven together and has a smooth firm finish. Here I'm showing the sizing also. Purple is 3 mm and the blue is 5 mm. So sizing give different finish looks to your pieces. It doesn't unravel easily. So if your design has a lot of fringe, this isn't your best friend. But for more structured pieces where you want clean lines, it works really well and is quite durable. The first keychain uses 5 mm cord and the second one uses 3 mm. Following the tutorial is best, but switching sizes or using what you have works too. Your piece will just look a bit thicker or finer. Don't let cord size stop you from creating. And your finished piece will still be beautiful. I'm also using braided cord for these coil baskets. I love how firmly it sits and the boho look it gives to them. Now let's talk coil baskets and specifically the rope or core material you coil with, like twisted rope, braided, piping cord, and clothesline rope. Personally, I use the twisted cord for baskets because I can get it in 8 mm, which makes the baskets full and bigger. Clothesline rope is a good option, especially if you're starting out, as it's easily available and affordable. What I'm showing here has 5 mm thickness. Now for the yarn I use to wrap my baskets. This is where I'm most relaxed and instinctive about my choices. I mix yarn and cord together, and honestly, a big part of the decision comes down to the colors I have on hand. Like this basket, I wanted in three colors, so I chose the chunky yarn so that the finish looks is the same. For here, I use the t-shirt yarn matching with the solid color single twist macrame cord. There is no strict formula. It really is about what feels right visually in that moment. And I think that's part of what makes each basket feel unique and personal. Just like in this basket, with the use of multicolor yarn, it enhanced the overall look of the basket. Here is a little glimpse of my work in progress. I'm using the 5 mm clothesline rope with a 3 ply twisted cord. So I'm combining this with the braided cord, which is 4 mm. I'm trying a new pattern and hopefully it works out well. I really like the combination of yellow and white, and I have a theme in mind, so I'm working towards it. If all works well, I'll be sharing a video tutorial soon for this one. I don't personally stock piping cord or braided rope for the coiling, so I could not show you in the video. But I've seen other crafters use them beautifully, especially piping cord if you want a stiffer, more structured basket. My only suggestion here is to take at least 8 mm rope for coiling so that you can make baskets bigger, fuller, and faster. So that's my take on yarn, cord, and rope for coiled baskets and macrame. Remember, this is just how I do things. Experiment, try different materials, and find out what works for you. If you want a tutorial for any of my finished pieces I'm sharing here, please let me know in the comments. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.